We're going to go through the same process we just completed with sine, but this time try to connect it to the cosine ratio. First of all, we'll try to create our 30-degree angle again. So I'm moving point A until I reach 30 degrees. There we have it. What is the value of the adjacent over the hypotenuse? So the adjacent this time is determined by side BC. Side BC is this horizontal distance, and that's the x-coordinate of point A. So how far over is point C from point B? That's the x distance for point A, which is right here, 5.80. So to determine the ratio of the adjacent over the hypotenuse, I will take the x-coordinate of point A and divide it by the hypotenuse. So again, I could do that with GSP by going to the calculate option under the number menu. I will divide the x-coordinate by the hypotenuse, and there we have it. We have about a value of 0.87. So the next part, again, we use the x-coordinate there to determine the cosine ratio. Recall that for the sine ratio we use the y-coordinate. So where can we move the point A so that we have this exact same ratio? We need to have the value of x take on the exact same value, 5.80. Well, we know we can't move it into the second or third quadrant since the x-coordinates are negative here. The only other place we can put it in is the fourth quadrant down here. So let's take point A and move it down here and try to get this ratio of 0.87, and the value of the x-coordinate of point A should be around 5.80. So here we have it down into the fourth quadrant, and we're trying to get that ratio of 0.87, and there we have it. Notice that the x-coordinate is exactly the same, 5.80, and the ratio is 0.87. So the cosine ratio is positive in that first quadrant. We had 0.087, and in this fourth quadrant we have the same ratio, 0.87. What is the angle that we're looking at? Again, we can see that the angle, the measure of angle ABC, is 30 degrees. So how do we determine the angle in standard position? So again, that's all the way around to this terminal arm. We know that a full rotation all the way around is a full 360 degrees. We are 30 degrees back from that. So 360 take away 330 is, 360 take away 30 is 330 degrees. So the angle in standard position is 330 degrees, and the related acute angle is 30 degrees.